Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to repost an Instagram story when you aren't tagged. Instagram doesn't always provide a direct repost button for a story you're not mentioned in, but you can ask the original creator to send you the photo or a video, then upload it to your own story with their permission. For that, you need to open Instagram, then tap on the plus button or your profile picture to create a story. Then select a photo or a video from your camera roll, and you can then add text, stickers, or mention of the original creator if appropriate. And before reposting someone else's content, you need to make sure you have the permission, especially if the content isn't already public. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.